I'm tired of digging in trash cans for food. I'm tired of begging people for money. I'm tired. Come on, I'm tired.
You don't think I hate doing all of those things either? It sickens me to have to dig through garbage for scraps of food. But I do it because I have to. And I'd rather do that than this. This is disgusting. Now come, we're leaving. Marcus!
Oh, I'm so proud of him. That was just a snippet of Immigrant Brothers, the award-winning film by Marlon Samona.
Thank
How
you.
are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Look here, man. Marlon is a little TVJ baby, you know, let me tell you now. Yeah, intern here and all them wonderful things. And then him just bust out and turn this big writer, producer, director and all them things. Let's talk about that journey.
Yes.
You went to UE.
Yes.
You did a degree in entertainment.
Mm-hmm.
When did Marlon decide that film is what I really want to do?
High school.
High school?
From high school, I knew that I wanted to pursue acting professionally.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, my first love is theater, but when I grew up more and more, I realized that I wanted to be on camera.
Yeah, so you went to the New York Film Academy.
Correct.
Mm-hmm. What was that experience like for you?
It was a nice experience because that school, majority of the student population is international. So, yeah. So I got to experience different cultures, which also helped me. Mm-hmm. You know, because, you know, Jamaicans are everywhere.
Yes.
And what I noticed with the student population is we have so much in common that our cultures, which I, of course, got from my UE degree, we, like Brazilians, for example, majority of the crew are Brazilians. And my director, in fact, Nicholas Joseph Cunha, is a Brazilian. And 4 out of the 5 producers are Brazilian as well.
Mm-hmm. What did that experience do for you in terms of networking, which is very important when it comes to film, because
very important.
You were able to do this project drawing on Brazilian director, producers. Yeah. When I looked at the list, you're probably the only Jamaican
I'm the only Jamaican
that I saw
there.
in the credits.
Correct.
How much did that experience help you to make the right connections moving forward?
Well, the good thing about it, majority of the cast were all friends.
Okay.
They were all friends which I met in school. I think we only auditioned 2 of the roles. So the rest of the roles I had already decided, but I still made them read for it because as much as they're your friends, you have to know who you're working with. Mm-hmm. So I still made them read for the roles. Like our 2 leads that you saw in the clip, one of our leads, Sean Babapule, he's my friend, but I still made him come in and read for the role. Mm-hmm. And Orlando Pineda, he's my friend, but he still came in and read for the role.
Okay.
But with the film, all the crew members and the rest of our fellow classmates, they were able to help each other and help myself as well with making connections, getting donations, the equipment from the school and other grants. So networking played a very important part in it.
I'm going to get back to that. I want to talk about the film, though, The Immigrant Brothers. I like it. Desperate times call for desperate brothers.
Correct.
Hey, talk to me about it.
Well, it's about 3 illegal homeless immigrants.
Lord of mercy.
They're trying to survive on the streets of Los Angeles. It's set in present-day California. And one is a Jamaican, who I play, Kemar. One is a Mexican, played by Orlando Pineda. And one is a Syrian, played by Sean Babapule. We're not related by blood, obviously, but
by circumstances.
By circumstances as well. And we all look out for each other, and we consider ourselves brothers.
Why that story?
Well, I went on a beach trip one day, and my friends and I, you know, we packed some food, had a couple of sandwiches and whatnot. And on our way back from the beach, we realized we had a lot of sandwiches left over. So we decided to drive around Hollywood and give to the homeless people in the area. And even though it was just a random act of kindness, it sparked something in me. And I decided that I wanted to write about something featuring homeless people. Because I always wanted to write a short film. I just didn't know what about. And I think maybe it was a sign from God, or it just was luck, but I came up with a story based on that experience.
Nice, and it's been a very powerful story. It's
Yes.
won awards, it's been nominated, it's been to the finals. Did you envision that it would be this successful?
Yes and no, because I know I wanted to submit it to festivals. I just didn't know which ones would select my film, and I didn't know which ones would give us awards.
Yeah.
So we submitted to probably over 70 festivals, because submitting to festivals is always like a 10% chance you'll get selected or even win awards. So we were really happy with the progress we've made.
You're now based in London.
Yes.
Talk to me about that move. I know you'd come home to Jamaica in Marlon, and you were like, my purpose is to be here, and do it. But then you're back in London. You're in London.
My purpose is to be in the sun right now. Because London it's December, so now it's January. It's really cold. And I'm glad I escaped before the snow came
But
down.
why London as opposed to LA or New York or even Atlanta, where a lot of film happens? Why London?
Well, like I said, even though I'm into film, theater is still my first passion. So naturally, London is the hub for theater. It's where theater is born. So I decided to go to London. And of course, they have a film industry over there. Of course, not as big as Hollywood or even New York, but they have a very good film industry over there. And I'm happy.
Yeah. Where do you want to take this film? I've seen a lot of short films be successful and then be commissioned into feature length, or people have said, I like this story, let's develop something more. What's the future for the Immigrant Brothers?
Well, I really don't. At first, I wanted to turn it into a feature film. I'm not sure right now because I'm working on other projects, but I'm not writing it off. So in the future, maybe not far, maybe distant, I intend to probably turn it into a feature film and pair together with a screenwriter and make some magic.
I talk to a lot of young people every day who they have dreams of being on film, being on stage, being a global artist. What's your advice to them?
Get some training, because even though Jamaica doesn't have a film school, I would suggest getting some training wherever you can find. We have Edna Manley, go there, take some acting classes. We have, I think, we have UE TV now. And of course, you have Carmack if you want to enter into the media. So I would suggest getting some classes and expand from there. Because like you said, it's networking.
Yeah.
And so once you have the tools and you go and talk to the right people, try and get funding, because funding was a major issue for Immigrant Brothers, as it is for any film. And I just love to thank our donors and our sponsors, because without them, this film literally could not have happened. So I would suggest just getting some classes. One of my dreams would actually be to open a film school in Jamaica.
Nice.
Not just a school with, we have our film options, or it's just a theater school or whatnot. A school dedicated to film, which has an acting department, a cinematography department, a directing department, and move on from there.
You're going to get it done.
Well, hopefully, yes.
I believe you will. Nice to have you. And so thrilled at your success.
Thank you very much.
Looking forward to big things from you.
Thank you.
On stage and on screen. Wonderful actor, writer, producer of the award-winning film, Immigrant Brothers, Marlon Samuda. So you've already heard Sabri and Nikita stare on the mic. Now it's Vanessa Bongo's turn. She takes us to the break with boxing gloves.
Yeah. I wanna know now. When will peace come my way? You put the X on the paper, kneel down, pray for something greater. Politician pay a penny till election come and them get all the acres. Them just doing what them paid for, but that's not what life is made of. Blessed is the day when a man will kill desire, building empires and save the nation. Yeah. And never will that get me down. Spirit is 10 feet tall. Step into a different vibration. Them never see me falling. Lying on the mountaintop. Them on the sand and we on the rock. Fake smile, camouflage intentions. I put on my boxing gloves. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, put on your boxing gloves. Sometimes it's a battle and it don't even matter if we fighting for the ones that we love. Now I know my heart is a palace. Royalty don't deal with no malice. If you're ready, let me know. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, cause we're fighting for love. Gotta be strong when the wind blows. Take your own medicine when you get a dose. What you give, you get is that you never know. Never looking back, cause life was a bed of rose. Didn't you know that the tougher that you try to pose is the deeper that you go when you dig your hole? The pain you cause is gonna come right back to you. But I'm moving on and I won't see ya. Yeah, yeah. And never will that get me down. Spirit is 10 feet tall. Step into a different vibration. Them never see me falling. Lying on the mountaintop. Them on the sand and we on the rock. Fake smile, camouflage intentions. I put on my boxing gloves. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, put on your boxing gloves. Sometimes it's a battle, but it don't even matter if we fighting for the ones that we love. Now I know my heart is a palace. Royalty don't deal with no malice. If you're ready, let me know. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, cause we fighting for love. Yeah, cause we fighting for love. We fighting for love. Cause we fighting for love. Yeah, cause we fighting for love. Yeah, cause we fighting for love. Don't deal with jealousy, don't hold no grudge, no. Yeah, boxing glove. Oh, and never will that get me down. My spirit is 10 feet tall. Step into a different vibration. Them never see me falling. Lying on the mountaintop. Them on the sand and we on the rock. Fake smile, camouflage intentions. I put on my boxing gloves. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, put on your boxing gloves. Sometimes it's a battle, but it don't even matter when you're fighting for the ones that you love. Now I know my heart is a palace. Royalty don't deal with malice, no. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, cause we fighting for love. No, my heart is a palace. Royalty don't deal with no malice. If you're ready, let me know. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, cause we fighting for love. Yeah, yeah. I wanna know now. Ooh, when will peace come my way? Yeah, I wanna know. Put on your boxing gloves. Yeah, yeah, cause we fighting for love.